To go.
Okay, so this is Rainy Day Cosplay. There's Aaryn. There's Danielle. There's Jessie, who's not cosplaying. Me, I'm not cosplaying either. Anyway, I told Jessie that if he ate the whole rest of my brownie in one bite, that I'll buy him. What did he want?
My monster.
He wants a monster energy drink.
He's Lady Gaga. That's how she's.
Okay. Tell me when.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Look at the size of that brownie.
Okay.
Do you have to, does he have to swallow it?
He has to chew it up and swallow it.
Oh my god.
Don't choke.
You're gonna die.
Okay,
ready, set, go.
I didn't think you could do it, Mama. I feel so tired.
We're going down to get me that monster now.
Yep, he shoved the brownie in his mouth. Now we're going down to get the monster. So now we're in line to
Get my
to buy Jessie's monster.
my well-deserved monster.
Oh, hi. Are we filming?
We are now.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Do a dance.
Doesn't Dannie look pretty in her wig and her regular clothes?
Very.
There's
Totally.
Aaryn.
Yeah. And my gross feet that hurt like crap.
Yeah. The evil shoes of doom.
I cheated. I switched shoes.
There's the contest. Danielle did cheat. She switched shoes earlier.
They're really comfortable.
These really like
They're fuzzy inside.
yeah, fuzzy moccasins. I had a black pair,
They're
but
like size 6 though.
yeah,
They're small.
but I ruined mine in the rain.
Look at that. They're dying.
I ruined mine in the rain.
What about we're here waiting for Aaryn to wake up over there.
Yeah, I bought her a coffee, and she didn't know this until I said it just now, but it was actually a double shot. So,
What?
so hopefully that wakes her up.
I hate you.
We'll see the after effects later.
I'm scared. Oh my god, I hate you.
And that was her honest to God reaction. Ow! So tell us how you're having. I mean, never mind.
Tell us how your first convention is.
Yeah, how's your very first anime convention going for you?
I'm tired. My feet hurt, but it's fun.
That's good. What was your favorite part about today so far?
Getting dominated.
I can tell you my least favorite. And waiting in that line together.
I think her most hated was getting dominated in Super C.
Scariest experience at Sakura-Con.
What about when you got dominated at Super C? That was the comic relief right there.
Not good at old games. Their controllers are too small for my hands.
I know, right? My hand is bigger than one.
I was trying to play it and I couldn't press the buttons because they're so small.
So what was your favorite part about today then?
Eating pizza.
Really? Lunch?
Or the escalator.
Or the...
Wow.
We paid $50 for a $3 ticket. I mean,
3-day.
3-day ticket. Sorry, I'm tired.
$50 for a 3-day ticket.
We paid $50 for a 3-day ticket, and her favorite part of the convention so far has been lunch and escalators.
We didn't do anything. We like walked around. It'll get better.
Dang it.
Come on, show us your stuff.
She's having fun.
You're on your knees, begging,
experience in California. Danielle is not worthy.
Wait. What is this from? This is from Princess. Give me a second here. I need to do something, you guys. Oh God, get off! Take a picture. Take a picture.
I'm filming it.
Oh, you're filming it? Oh.
Did you see what Jesse was doing? Do that again. That was funny.
What are you doing?
Not worthy. Not worthy.
Okay. Hi. Oh my God, that's what you did. Are you stupid?
Okay, go ahead. I was sure she wouldn't tour with me. Say good morning.
Good morning.
It's Sunday morning. It's the last day of Sakura-Con. We're in Tacoma right now. We're waiting.
It's sad.
Yeah, I'm feeling sad. Danielle's head's cold. I'll warm it.
Oh God, that's weird.
Okay. Anyway, we're in Tacoma right now. We're waiting for the bus.
This place is not flat like it was yesterday.
See, up there. This is downtown Seattle. We're waiting.
We're not in downtown Seattle.
Yeah, but we're waiting for the bus to go to downtown.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Is that the bus?
I can't read it.
Oh, no. Okay. We're leaving Tacoma.
Why are you documenting everything?
Because it's the last day and I'm sad.
Oh.
There goes Tacoma. Well, we're going to be in Tacoma until we hit the freeway. Anyway.
Don't be sad.
I won't. Well, I will, but
Well, I'm kind of depressed that we missed our panels.
yeah. We were going to go to the makeup
and
panel.
Textiles.
And she wanted to go to the textiles panel, but we didn't get to go because we were running kind of late. Well, I mean, not like super
we
late.
thought we were gonna have a ride.
Yeah. Well, I don't think that would have mattered though.
It would have.
Well, but
Not by.
not by
a
much.
lot.
Not by much. Yeah. Anyway. There's Dannie and Jesse.
Hello.
My head's still wet. My head's still cold.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're gonna say goodbye for now. Jesse, say goodbye. It's the red hand of doom. It looks white on the camera.
It does? Why?
I don't know.
Doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't.
Maybe the white thing will look red.
Maybe it will. Nope, it looks white.
What? That's disappointing.
Well.
Jizz all over him.
Oh, God. Anyway, we're in Seattle right now.
No, really?
Yep.
You know, he's probably white because he's a ghost and he got hit by a car.
Oh.
That's why he's telling us to cross.
That's a very unique story. There is Aaryn.
Hold the hood.
There's
You have a
Dannie.
hood too.
I know.
I don't have a hood.
There's Jesse.
Here's Jesse.
But they have hoods on, so I just wore them.
How are you feeling about the last day of Sakura-Con?
I'm okay with it. I'm tired.
Are you really glad you don't have to wear your costume?
Unbelievably so.
Are your feet comfortable today?
Yes.
I'm hit!
What happened? Are you infected now? Is it like 28 days later when he gets the drop of the zombie blood caught in his eye and then...
No, that just sucked. Like a giant drop of rain came off of the roof there and landed right on my neck.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We're almost there. See? Washington State Convention and Trade Center. And there's that big pretty arc thing.
I know, right? It's so cool. I bet.
Alright, well, we're here. It's the last day. We're so sad. Anyway,
I'm just tired.
we'll vlog more later. Hello.
Is my mouth gross? I was just eating Pocky.
I don't know. Okay, so we're sitting in line at
being weirdos.
yeah, we're waiting to get in.
My stuff around.
We're waiting to get into unscripted cosplay chess. Sorry, I just keep dropping down to your boobs. Like it's a really comfortable position for my hands to be at, just like that. It's not too low and it's not too high.
It's just right at my boobs.
Well, I mean, you know. She got new pins. Well, one of them suits. We already saw the Got Yuri one, maybe. And there's the Got Yowie one. Yeah.
I think I prefer that one.
Paddle not included or encouraged. That's horrible. Yes, it is encouraged.
Yeah, but it kind of hurts.
Extremely.
Well, if you're into that kind of thing.
There's Jessie.
Creeping.
There's Joko.
There's Aaron's tongue.
We're sitting in the back part of the artist alley.
I'm sad that that saw cosplayer left. That was amazing.
Is that what she had? What was it?
It was a saw reverse bear trap.
Oh.
Because you know bear traps go down and it opens your mouth up all the way.
Yeah, she had like the reverse bear trap thing on, and her shirt said lesbian pride, so Danielle was creeping.
I was not creeping. She was very pretty though. She was
like, and like complimenting her all over the place, and then she went and grabbed her camera and took like 50 pictures that she's gonna get off to later.
And I said one picture. I'm going to kill you, Tori. I'll kill both of you. I'm sure. Oh, hey, wait, you forgot my other pen. There's that one too.
Star Trek.
Star Trek.
She's a Trekkie.
It works because I'm a Trekkie and
a lesbian. Yeah.
Wow.
I hope people were looking at that.
Me too. That'd be amazing. You should do a femme Spock sometime.
Oh my
That
god.
would be amazing. My skirt would have to be like up to here though.
Yeah. We'll get you some boy shorts.